How to cook pineapple maple glazed ham. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Place the gammon joint in a large pot and add the onions, pineapple juice. Bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium, cover, and simmer for 70 minutes. Gammon joints need to cook for 40 minutes per kilo, 2¼ pounds, so if you are using a smaller or large gammon joint, adjust the cooking time accordingly. Once cooked, carefully remove the gammon joint from the pan and place on a baking sheet to cool slightly. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Make the glaze. In a small pan over a medium heat, combine the Dijon mustard, pineapple juice, and maple syrup and bring to a boil. Cook for 10 minutes, or until slightly reduced and glossy. Carefully remove the skin from the gammon joint, using a small paring knife to help ease the fat away from the skin. Be sure to leave a small layer of fat on top of the gammon. Score the fat in a diamond pattern and push a clove into each cross-section. Liberally brush the gammon joint with the glaze, making sure to reserve at least half of the glaze. Roast the gammon joint for 40 minutes, glazing again halfway through. Carve and serve. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for pineapple maple glazed ham. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.